Let's look at an example of a systematic sample. So we have a salesperson obtain a systematic sample of size 25 from a list of 500 clients. To do so, he randomly selected a number from 1 to 20. Obtaining the number 11, he included in the sample the 11th client on the list and every 20th client thereafter. List the numbers that correspond to the 25 clients selected. Choose the correct answer below. So, I want to find or point out the important information in the problem first. So we have a sample of size 25, a list of 500. He obtained the number 11. So he included in the sample the 11th client on the list and every 20th client thereafter. So let's obtain our list. So we know that the population is 500. So remember, we use capital N for our population size. And our sample size is 25, so we use lowercase n to represent our sample size. And it says that he randomly selected the number 11, so P is going to be 11. And then we need to find K. So K is going to be capital N divided by lowercase n. So that's going to be 500 divided by 25. So we're going to obtain 20. So now that we have all the key information, we can obtain our list. So remember, the first individual in the list is going to be P. The next individual is going to be P plus K. The next individual is P plus 2K, and so on, right? And then the last individual in the list is going to be P plus N minus 1 times K. So let's actually figure out what those values are. So P is 11. So that's our first individual, so we can eliminate from our choices A and D just by knowing that. Our next one, we're going to take P and add K to it. So K is 20. So we obtain 31. So B and C are both valid answers. Doesn't ask for the third individual, but let's find that. So we're going to do 11 plus 2 times 20. So it's going to be 11 plus 40 here. So we get 51. And then let's skip to the last individual. So we're just adding K to get to the next individual. So the last one, so remember this is just a formula. We're going to do P, which is 11, plus N, which is 25, minus 1 times K. And K here is 20. So we have 11 plus 24 times 20. So this is 11 plus 480. So we end up with 491, which is our answer choice C there. So that's an example of how to find the individuals in our systematic sample.